Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Karlene, and this week we're doing things a little bit differently because I'm on holidays and I wanted to take you along with me. We travelled away to a wedding in Yeppoon, which is a small coastal town, and while we were there and child free for some part of it, we got to enjoy breakfast at the marina and went thrift shopping. So I'm going to take you along and show you what I found. Hang tight until the end if you want to see what else we got up to as a family of 5 while visiting Yeppoon. If this is your first time here, normally my content is about easy recipes, simple living and homemaking. You guys tend to love the thrifting videos, so I thought I'd take you along to a few that I've never been to before. Now I kept this video less chatty, similar to the last one that I did, but if you would prefer for me to chat along as I go shopping, then let me know by commenting below. Okay guys, this is the last stop for the day, 1770 Gelato Co. It was a beautiful little store. Even the baby thought that everything looked good. He kept on saying, wow, wow, it was so cute. Now, if you're still here, thank you for watching this far into the video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and going thrift shopping and then visiting some little places in Yeppoon while we were here. If you'd like to see how I make over and style the thrift items that I bought, then hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. I'll also be linking some other videos that I think you'll like below. Thanks for watching guys, bye for now.